Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your garden space app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps here. So then you come to this list here. When you click here on apps, it's going to take you to this list. And here you're looking for Gardes Space app, or just click on search here. So then here at Garden Space, just click on it here. So when you click here on Garden Space, it's going to show for you like this. You will click here on clear for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.